For a super easy project, we're gonna take 3 supplies and 1 gorgeous bunny wreath base here and rock out the cutest wreath. To start off, just cut these down to a couple of inches. We don't need the long stem for what we're doing. So we're gonna cut that down to about a 3-inch stem. And the same thing here. The only thing I'm gonna do a little different is I'm gonna take and cut off the top part here where I get 1 curl in the tail separated. And then this one, I'm gonna separate these glittery sprays out a little so I can do this a little bit, control them a little bit more. So I'm gonna cut that, leave this part down here with the 2 curls. And then this one here, we're gonna do into 2 sections. So I'll take it and cut it to where I've got the teal a little separated, and then I've got the pink. And that way I can just control these placement just a little bit tighter. And then this one, we're also gonna cut down to 2 inches. So don't forget, you can always do that whenever you have a pick. This is something we do in design school all the time. If you're not a member of our design school, we'd love to have you. It's where we do a little bit higher level projects than this, but I teach you step by step, just like I'm doing here, and you can do it yourself. Now, you see me shaking hands with everything like, hello, Mr. Butterfly. That is basically what I call just shaking hands. And it means you're prepping all the materials and fluffing them out. We fluff this one, then we separate it into sections. Same thing, that's what we're doing. Now let's start with the base. I want the little tail to shoot off this way. So let's start off with our double curl with the one pretty, the glittery spray is in there. I'm gonna hold this like a pencil and we're gonna bring it over to our electric skillet and just swirl it in. And I'm getting glue on there. You can use a hot glue gun. You can't, when you use a hot glue gun, you can't touch the glue and stuff like I'm doing here. It's at a lower temperature in the glue pot. So sometimes you might see me be able to touch the glue faster. Now I like to take these curls and kind of bring them forward and give them a little dimension and pop them like that. That's stinking cute already. We haven't even done anything. Adorable. Now, the other one with the tail, let's have it crisscross and kind of come out this way. Okay, and the tail's gonna sit in the middle. So I'm gonna take that and give that a little swirl again in the electric skillet. Okay, and let's crisscross these. Now, if you haven't seen the one we did in pink, it's very similar. We did it a little bit different. So I would take a little time and take a look at both the videos to see which one you like better. And you could maybe do a hybrid version of what you're seeing here. Now her little tail's there, but I like the idea that her little butterfly came in and just landed right here by the tail and have this kind of face up so when it's hanging on the door, it's gonna really look good. So I'm gonna take and bring a little glue to my butterfly this time with my dowel. Just getting that glue screen off. And this one's gonna go on the top. Now since this base is made of angel vine, it's very easy to press things into, and we had it designed really thick, so you don't have to worry about you don't have enough space to add things on there. You've got space to get into the vine. Okay, so the basic design is there already. Look how quickly and adorably that came together. What we're going to do is just use what we call triangle placement to put these in, and we're going to form a triangle around the butterfly. So you've got a little pop of color coming every direction in the shape of a triangle. So there's one. There's going to be one under here. And I'm just pushing this into the gold base underneath. And so 1, 2, the third piece will come right here. Isn't this so easy and simple? This is a great beginner project or just a nice accent to make really quickly for your decor to go with your Easter decorations. Look how stinking cute. Y'all, she is so cute. And there's her little tail right here, hopping away. Isn't that precious? I hope you try one of these type of door hangers, especially these custom design pieces, because they're not available everywhere. And you can take this bunny and I can give him a little dimension, pull these ears up a little. She's got a little hanger ready to hang up and ready to go and make your door look so stunning and so different this season. None of your neighbors are gonna have this. All right, Bloomerinos, we'll see you next time. Go have fun with flowers and just text us KIT to 832-734-5201 and you can grab this bunny kit right here